Welcome to Tyco Tuesday. Welcome Rich's Slot Car Room. Today is a T-Bird. Hardtop. Yes, sir. It's it's an old one. Tyco S. Tyco. Of course. Pretty cool car. Not sure what year it is. Probably like, it says right on the license plate, 65. It says right there on the ass end where the license plate goes, it says 1965. So we know what year it is, and we know it's a T-Bird. It's got a driver inside. Yes, it does. It's got interior. Pretty cool car. I'll bring it around here and we'll check the bad boy out. Got something right there. It's got an emblem or something right there, but that black spot there is a chip or something. Other than that, it looks pretty darn good. It says 1965 right there. Got something right there. I'm not sure what that is. Got a driver and interior. And what's on the front? I think 1965 on the front as well. Yes, it does. 1965. So, yeah, let's get started with this bad boy. Put her on the dyno and see how she does. Ooh, 60. 73. Wow. 75. 80. 87. 90. Wow. 95. 96. 97. 98. Wow. That's pretty darn cool. Pretty darn cool. Yes, sir. So, yeah, I'm going to take this bad boy apart and we'll oil it up. And, first I'll clean up the pickup shoes. I'd say they're probably the original. Got some nice grooves in them. So, yeah, let's take this bad boy apart. Slowly but surely she's coming apart. There we go. Got the weight. Yes, it does. It's actually holding on by the screw. I'm not sure what these are made out of. I think it's just hard plastic, I guess. It's pretty heavy. Might be some metal or lead inside of them, I'm not sure. I think I'm going to switch these rear tires with the front tires because the front tires are softer. I would say they would get better grip. Okay. Alright. Get some of this excess oil off of here. We'll do it with a Q-tip. If I can hold on to it. Yep, pretty dirty. Okay. Tyco on the side of the motor. Okay. Alright, let's see if we can clean this body up. Looks like the paint's off over here. But she is rather old, so. Let me see if, what these here are. I guess just chips. I'm not sure. I guess they're just chips, I would say. And the one on the back is definitely a chip. So yeah. The one on the back is where the post is at. So somebody may have screwed it in too hard, too tight. See if I can clean the interior at all. There we go. Clean the old windshield. I'd say overall for around 63, 64, 65. I'm not sure when it was made. I'll look it up in the book here once I get it put back on the dyno. And we'll find out when this bad boy was made. Well, that was a screw up. I guess when I turned it over, it fell out. I was thinking a screw would hold it in, but obviously it did not. Just about done here, and we'll throw it back on the dyno. Okay. Hit one. No. Does not hit 199. Okay, let's look this bad boy up in a book. I will grab her and we'll look her up. Alright. First page with cars on it. There she is, right there, number 14. 14, T-Bird, 1965. 633. S is for S chassis. And silver black. Red, green black, cream black, tan black, candy blue black, and light green with a cream roof. That's the only one that came cream. And then all orange and all red. So there you have it. 1965. T-Bird hardtop. Put you on pause. We'll take her over to the track and take her for a ride. I'm hoping it breaks in a little bit. Because she's just squealing. I rolled it pretty good, but it actually runs pretty darn good. Not too bad for a Tyco S, 65. A year older than I am. I was born in 66. I know how it feels. Yeah. Not too bad. Oh yeah. Does not like those little 3-inch turns. Yeah, I can take those little 3-inch turns out of there and put more 9" in. Standard turn. Yeah, I could bring that over a tad and just run it right down through here, and then turn it right over to here, and get rid of all that crap in there. Could do that. 1965 T-Bird, silver, black. Yeah, this thing's 16, almost 17 minutes long. I don't know how it got so long. I got done showing you the book. It was on pause. So I showed you the book again. I have a feeling you guys got to see it twice. I keep hitting this mouse with my hand. And that's why last week you didn't get to see the book, because when I moved the book out, I hit the mouse. And then I hit it again. I was working on a car. So you guys missed about 3 minutes of the video. So I need to change this around a little bit, because I'm right-handed and everything's over here on the right. So I need to move everything to the left and move everything, move the tape, move my blue pad and my dyno and my mouse over to the right side. I think I'll do that before I make my Friday video. Then you guys get to see a really cool video on Friday when my desk changed around a little bit. Appreciate you guys coming in. Hope you guys like this car. It'd run a little bit better if it had new silicones on it. I'm not sure where I bought them from, but I will investigate that issue further and try to find them. And if I find them, I'll buy like about 40 of them. That'd be enough for 10 cars. I think I got about 30 of them up there. I'll have to count them. I might need way more than that. But I appreciate you guys coming in. Today is Tuesday, Tyco Tuesday. Hope you guys like the show. And yeah, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I appreciate it. And hit the bell. Get notified. It will let you know. It'll send you an email. If you set it up, it'll send you an email. You'll get an email. If you don't check your email and you don't check YouTube, it don't really matter either way. But yeah, I do Tuesdays and Friday videos. They come out at 8 a.m. usually, unless I don't make my video today, which is Monday. I don't make it till Tuesday. Then it doesn't come up till Tuesday afternoon. Friday is always at 8 a.m. and I go live. I do cold snacks, pick kits and cold snacks on Friday nights. And yeah, I will catch you guys Friday then. And yeah, later.